Clearing your search history on Agoda can help you maintain privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to manage your search history effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the Agoda app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Find search history. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to privacy or search history. This section will display your recent searches and bookings. Step 4. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so make sure to follow any on-screen instructions. Step 5. Log out. After clearing your search history, log out of your account to ensure your changes are saved and your privacy is maintained. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Agoda. Regularly updating your settings can help keep your account secure and tailored to your preferences.